What is the Earth's outermost layer? N- Mantle, core, crust, lithosphere. The correct answer is lithosphere. Lithosphere is Earth's outermost layer. Mountain range in the longest in the world? Himalayan, Andes, Rocky Mountain. Correct answer is the longest mountain range in the world. The chemical formula for dry ice: CO2, CO, CH4. So CO2, carbon dioxide in a solid form is called dry ice. The official language of Brazil is? The correct answer, official language of Brazil is Portuguese. How do touchscreen works? By detecting conductance. Touchscreen works by electric conductance. What principle does a submarine use to sink and rise? The correct answer, buoyancy. The principle of buoyancy is used in submarine to dip in the water and to raise on the surface of water. What process do plants use to convert sunlight into energy? The correct answer, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process convert sunlight into energy. How does thermos flask work to keep liquid hot or cold? The correct answer, using vacuum insulation. By using vacuum insulation is used in thermos flask work. Which of these is not a noble category? The correct answer, mathematics, is not included in the noble category. The Olympic Games originated in which country? The correct answer, Greek. The Olympic Games originated in Greek. What does NASA stand for? NASA stands for Aeronautics and Space Administration. What does GDP stand for? GDP stand for Domestic Product. GDP stand for Gross Domestic Product. Which musical instrument nicknamed the King Instrument? The correct answer, piano is famous as King Instrument. Who was won the most FIFA World Cup title? Correct answer, Brazil won the most number of FIFA World Cup titles. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Correct answer, basketball. Turkey is the current host of the G20 Summit 2025. The correct answer, Africa. Who was the President of United States in 2024? The John Biden. And then Donald Trump's. Which country hosted 2020 Summer Olympics? The correct answer was UN Secretary General in 2024. Antonio Guterres, the UN Secretary General of in 2024. Which country won the most medals in 2024 Olympics? The correct United States won most number of medals. What is the length of Great Wall of China? 30 mile is the length of Great Wall of China. What was considered as a major global challenge? Correct answer, climate change is major global challenge. Which of the following carbon compound is used as a liquid rocket in fuel? The correct answer, CH. Methane is used as a liquid rocket fuel. Marine algae are known as sauropods. Ongoing conflict to be a global concern? Palestine conflicts.